Hey guys, Andrew King here. Welcome to my WebinarKit review. I'm here inside the dashboard of WebinarKit, and today I'm going to give you a full overview. I'm also going to show you what the price and upsells are and how much all this costs. And on top of that, I got some really cool custom-made bonuses for you to help you get the best out of WebinarKit. Now, in a nutshell, WebinarKit is an auto webinar builder that is going to help you build webinars in a matter of minutes. So as you can see, I'm here inside the dashboard. I'm gonna show you a glimpse of this software. Basically, you can choose a video or upload a video from the URL So if you have uploaded your webinar on YouTube, you can get the URL and put it right here. And then you can put audio details. All you have to do is click on details and fill in all these details. It's basically guided step by step. So if you are a beginner, an intermediate, or a professional at making webinars, it doesn't matter, because this software is the best. Is gonna help you whether you know how to make webinars or you don't. So all you have to do once you pick up your copy of WebinarKit is go and click on getting started and watch these video tutorials that will guide you through on how to build your auto webinar. Now let's talk about my bonuses that I'm offering alongside the software that will help you get the best out of it. Now remember, these bonuses are exclusive to me and myself only. They're not going to be available through everybody's link. So if you are watching this on YouTube, just click the link in description, come through to my bonus page, click on one of these green buttons. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the sales page. Scroll down and click on get instant access to WebinarKit, and then you can pick up your copy of WebinarKit and get all my bonuses free of charge delivered to you. Now you have to do that before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because once it does, this page will disappear and so will all my bonuses. Now my first bonus is gonna be, I'm gonna give you access to the 5 best traffic sources to use with WebinarKit. It's obvious that once you build your webinar or auto webinar, you have to drive traffic to your webinar in order for you to make sales. So I'm going to show you the best, or the 5 best traffic sources that you can drive traffic to your webinar. My second bonus is going to be the best high ticket offer to promote with WebinarKit. Now I'm going to show you the best high ticket offers to promote with WebinarKit to make $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 on each and every sale that you make. I'm gonna show you the best ones that you can integrate with this. I'm also gonna give you the webinar so you can upload the videos directly here inside of WebinarKit and start making some huge chunky commissions. My third bonus is gonna be a hack on how to write high converting webinar scripts. Now if you want to go that road and make your own webinars and sell your own courses, you have to be good at writing high ticket webinar scripts. So if you don't know how to do that, I'm gonna show you on how to write a high converting webinar script and sell your course using WebinarKit. My fourth bonus is going to be access to Aurora Pro. Now Aurora is a software or a tool that launched via John Armstrong and Brendan Mace last year. This tool is a webinar builder and it has its own traffic sources built into it. It has Pinterest traffic source and Instagram. So you're going to get access to a Pinterest traffic source where you can get traffic from Pinterest via following other people on Pinterest. This tool will go out and automatically follow other people, in which these people are going to visit your profile and click the link to the webinar that you have built with WebinarKit. Also, you can do this via Instagram as well. So it's the same process. This software will go ahead and follow people on Instagram, specific targeted people, and once they see that you have followed them, they will visit your profile and they might click the link and visit your WebinarKit. So let's do a simple math. If you have the software following up to 60 to 100 people per day, let's say 20% or 30% of these people go and click on your link, you have 30 visitors to your webinar, and you might have up to 15 attendees to your webinar, which is really high. Now let's say you are selling a course of $2,000 and you are making $1,000 commission. If you have one sale, just one sale, you'll be making $1,000 a day. So you can imagine how powerful this is, and I'm giving it away to you for free in my fourth bonus. My fifth bonus is gonna be access to all the vendors' bonuses. Now I don't know what these bonuses are, but what I do know is that most other affiliates are going to be offering these bonuses alone. I have gone above that and gave you all my extra custom-made bonuses for you to help you get the best out of WebinarKit. So like I said, if you want to pick up WebinarKit anytime watching this video, just come through to my bonus page. If you are watching on YouTube, just click the link in the description. The first link, you'll be taken to this page, then click on one of these green buttons, you'll be taken to the sales page of WebinarKit. Just click on get instant access and pick up your copy. Now once you pick up your copy, this is the members area that you're gonna have access to. They're gonna send you the access credentials via email, and once you log in, you're gonna be hit with this dashboard. Now what I recommend you to do first is click here where it says getting started. And I want you to watch these videos because they are tutorials on how to build webinars using WebinarKit. It's really simple and self-explanatory, but they're gonna explain everything step by step for you if you have never built a webinar in your life. Now, once you do that, just hover over your email and click on dashboard. Now let's create our first webinar right here. I'm gonna click on new webinar, and the first thing you're gonna be asked to do is put in the webinar video. Now you can either use a video URL if you have uploaded your webinar on YouTube, Vimeo, or any video platform whatsoever. You can upload the video directly from here. If you don't want to, if you haven't uploaded it yet, just click on here, and then you can click on browse and choose your webinar video file. So let's say this is my webinar video file. Just click on it and then it will be uploaded. Just click on save. Now once you do that, you're gonna click on next. I'm gonna click on details, and we're gonna go to the next step. It's very simple. It's very beginner friendly. As you can see, you don't have to know anything. You don't have to have any tech skills. You don't have to know any languages to build pages. It's really simple. Now here we have the webinar details. So the webinar is inactive. I'm just gonna activate it. You can put the name, so I'm gonna name it test for the purposes of this video. You can give it a title. I'm gonna name it make money, for example, subtitle, a description, a webinar duration. So let's say webinar duration is gonna be 90 minutes. Then you can add a presenter. So for example, you can add a presenter, you can add the presenter name, biography, and email. And then you can upload even a presenter photo if you like. This is optional. You can upload the presenter, or you can choose not to upload a presenter. Now the last step right here in the detail section is the webinar schedule. You can schedule your webinar. I'm sorry, English is not my first language. I'm trying my best to explain everything to you, but as you can see, it's pretty simple to use. You can check out the videos, like I said, once you pick up your copy, and will be so easy for you. Now once you're done with this section, just click on save right here at the bottom. I'm gonna go to the next section, which is the registration section. So you can choose the registration type right here. You can play around with these as you like. You have so many customizations to edit. I'm not gonna go through everything. As you can see, it's pretty self-explanatory and anyone can use this software. Now let's talk about a little bit about the price in upsells. Everything I just showed you, access to the WebinarKit software and training modules, is going to be $34.95. Now for the first upsell, if you want to upgrade to the Pro version, in the Pro version you're going to be able to upgrade your account for a limited time, one-time fee. This will include additional professional registration page templates, so they're going to give you registration page templates, in-house video hosting, unlimited bandwidth, time handouts, and one-click reply pages, polls, everything you can read here on the screen you're gonna get access to, and you're gonna get access to they're gonna upgrade you to commercial rights on everything. So if you want to get all these extra features, you're gonna have to pay $67. I recommend you get this if you need the extra registration templates. I recommend you play with the WebinarKit normal or front end version. Then if you like it, you can get an upgrade to the Pro version, which is really good. In my opinion, if you are a professional and you have made money from webinars before, I highly recommend you get the first upsell, because you're gonna get so much more features. Now the upsell number 2 is the chat simulation. With this upgrade, you're gonna be able to set your auto webinars funnel software into a lean, mean, selling, and engaging machine. You can set automated chats to increase engagements on your webinars, as well as including automated calls to action for customers. So this is really crucial. This upsell is really good because it will upper your conversion rate. Let's say you are making a webinar and you have a 30% conversion rate. This tool will help you get the conversion rate up to 50%, because you're going to be adding all these extra tweaks, which are the automated chats and automated call to actions. This is really crucial in the marketing business. So I recommend you get the second upsell if you want to get a higher conversion rate, which is recommended. So if you are making $1,000 per sale, I'm pretty sure $37 investment won't be harmful to you. Now the third upsell is WebinarKit Sales Accelerator. With the Sales Accelerator is designed to help you accelerate your webinar sales. Included is 15 ready done for you auto webinars. Now I don't recommend you get this upsell because I got you covered. I'm gonna show you the best high ticket offers in my second bonus. I'm gonna show you the best high ticket offers to promote with WebinarKit. I'm also going to show you with I'm gonna give you these done for you webinars, so you don't have to get the third upsell because I got you covered in my second bonus. Now the fourth upsell is gonna be the agency for $97. With this upgrade, it's a one-time price. Is the biggest no-brainer for everyone, as they say. You will be instantly upgraded to allow you to turn into proper webinar agency in one click. This includes sub accounts. So basically you're gonna be able to sell this WebinarKit software as your own. If you want to get 100% commissions on all the funnel, all you have to do is pay $97 and this software will be yours. So once you send traffic to the sales page right here, you're gonna get 100% commissions on the whole funnel. So if you want that, you can get the upsell number.
Hey there, it's Stefan.
What I recommend, I personally recommend you get the front end, of course. The first upsell if you need it. The second upsell, I highly recommend you get it. The third upsell, not really needed because I got you covered in my second bonus. And the fourth upsell if you want to sell this product as your own. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them down below in the comment box, and I'll see you in the next review.